So there's no more loose or disconnected hoof horn. She has that tiny little ulcerated spot right there. There is no infection. That is a weight-bearing ulceration. Now that we've got everything taken care of and trimmed up to balance and elevated by applying this block, she's gonna be just fine. She's not gonna need any medication or anything like that. We're gonna wrap it up, of course, with iodine. I prefer the iodine over the salicylic acid for this sort of lesion. So let's wrap her up and get her out of here. You all right, Mama? You'll be good, huh? Oh, yeah. I like to put gauze down before. We'll use pink. She's a lady. It's her preferred color. We don't want to tuck or tie this wrap. It only needs to last for 2 or 3 days. At that point, she'll be well on the road to recovery, and we want to allow anything to drain. We don't want that wrap to start to hold in manure. Come on, Mama, got a girl. That feel better? Sometimes it takes them a few steps to realize that they have a block on and they can walk pain-free. But as you can see, she's already doing much better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time, catch you on the flip-flop. Bye.